squirt and spin.
Come on, baby. Come on, squiddies. Today, Kettlebottom's heading to Cape Cod to do some squid fishing.
Fish it up, guys. Let's see what you got.
A lot of squid fishing is just learning what they feel like when they take it. They don't really bite it. Like, it's not like a tug, it's more like a pull. All of a sudden it just feels like you caught seaweed or something. It doesn't feel like much.
That's how it's done right there, baby. Number one, goal for today is just to get enough for dinner. That's a good start. Everybody's got their own technique in squidding, but the fun part about squidding is every time your buddy catches, everybody's celebrating. There's no competition.
It's a squid.
Oh yeah!
Triple.
Triple. Kind of hard to catch on a squid jig, but it happens.
We're in 16, 17 feet of water, somewhere around there. It's pretty shallow, sort of a rocky, sandy bottom. Squid usually swim in schools, big schools.
Bites, 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 keep dropping them.
When you're squid fishing too, it'll come in waves, you know, it'll lay down for a while, you won't catch any, and then start loading up again.
Squid are funny. Like anything, one day they want one thing, the next day they want the other. Often pink works really well, but today, not so much. So I'm gonna switch them out. I've been catching, all the ones I've been catching have come on green, so I'm gonna switch them all out to green and see what happens.
Bright day, bright colors. Typically works for just about everything.
It's kind of a funky looking squid jig. I never seen one quite like that. Rob said chartreuse and Rob said small, so.
If it ain't chartreuse, it ain't no use.
Been out here for a few hours and definitely doing pretty darn well. Got about half a bucket full already. I'm not really looking to fill the boat, but you know, having a decent amount's a good thing.
Fat tube right there, sword bait.
Yeah, that's a big one.
I got the mama.
Wow.
I haven't had a cast where I haven't brought one up now.
Once in a while, you're like the most popular guy in school, you know? And then, you know, when you start getting a little cocky about it, the guy next to you is the most popular and he starts catching them all. Ty might be the guy in a minute here that might outpace Ryan. I started out the game pretty good, but Ryan started smoking me. And we'll see how it goes. Ryan's the most popular guy in town right now. Having steady action, you just pray that it continues. Because really it's a grind being out here. It's choppy, you know, kind of cold. You get squid ink all over you in the boat, but the reward is worth it. Oh! I got a mouthful of salt water on that one. Clean it up. Gonna head in soon. It's a really good day.
Oh, great. A little bit windy, but you know, other than that.
I think we're gonna wrap it up pretty soon because we definitely have enough of these tasty little critters.
Got a couple more here. Or one big one. Watch yourself.
I think we did like a bucket and a half, maybe a little more, but we got plenty. I don't want to be too greedy, so it's time to head in and eat some of these things. That's the best part. Woo! Can't wait to eat some of these things.